What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I want to do this quick video on this app, CoinOut. It's an app that I really love just because it's just easy money. As far as just scanning receipts, I've made multiple videos on this. I've made a lot of money with it, and I'm just scanning receipts. I mean, it's not anything that's difficult about it. I mean, you get a receipt, all you do here is press scan, take a picture of it, and you get credited instantly. All right. And I just want to show you. Today is actually the 7th, and I want to show you what I made yesterday with my receipts. And I haven't scanned any today, but because I scanned them all yesterday. But you see here, I mean, these are just regular receipts. You know what I'm saying? I had like, what, 5 yesterday? Probably a little more than that. But see here, I had one that was 15 cents. I got paid 15 cents for that receipt. I got paid 7 cents for that receipt. Another 7 cents for that receipt. I got 3 cents for that one. I got 2 cents for that one. I got 12 cents for that one. You know what I'm saying? 3 cents for this one. You know what I'm saying? 2 cents. That was like a couple days before that. But the thing is like it really doesn't matter. I don't really know what determines how much you get paid for, for your receipt. But the thing is, just take a picture of it anyway, because at the minimum, you're gonna make something. I mean, it's not one of them things where you take a picture of it and it's like, okay, well, this doesn't qualify for us to give you anything. You're gonna make something, and you see here, like I made a good amount for each receipt. Now, it's not a lot of money, but this is something that really just adds up. You see here, like I showed you my balance, I have like $8.47, I think, right now. So all I'm doing is scanning receipts. And how many people do you know when you get a receipt, you just throw it away? I mean, that's what people usually do, because receipts really aren't of value like that. But this app will make them of value, because you're going to get paid for those same receipts. So it doesn't matter where I go, I always get a receipt. I always use this app, take a picture of it, and I get credited for it. And doing that will allow me to make money. So just think about it. If I throw away receipts, I don't have the opportunity to make $8.47. I mean, like I said, it's not a lot, but I mean, if you found $8.47 laying on the ground, wouldn't you pick it up? So that's just how it goes with this app. You know, so I've been using it for a while. Got paid good money with the receipt, so I highly encourage you guys to use it. Download it on your phone. The link to it will be in the description. Just click on it. It'll take you to the app. Download it, and find the receipt and start taking pictures of it. Now, the thing about cashing out with this app, all you need is $1 to cash out. They have gift cards you can choose from. You can put it directly to your bank, or you can do PayPal. Me, I like to do it directly to my bank. I'm not going to cash out right now, just because my goal with this app is $10, so I kind of want to leave it in there. I got, $1.53 more cents to go. But that's just, me. Like I said, I could cash out right now, but I just want to let it build up a little bit more. So, like, this is a app that it's kind of a slow earner. But when you look up, you're like, wow, I mean, I'm making really good money with this. $8.47, just scanning receipts. It really does build up just over time. I would say in a month, I make at the minimum of about $10 a month with this app. You know what I'm saying? All it is just scanning receipts. I mean, it doesn't matter where the receipt came from, how you paid for it. It's a receipt. Take a picture of it, and you get credited, just like I did with these. I mean, these are good, nice little earnings for receipts. I mean, just imagine throwing 15 cents away, 7 cents away, 7 cents away, 3 cents away. I mean, you're just throwing money away when you're throwing receipts away. So, like I said, this app is really good. It will really allow you to, just make money with receipts. All you do is take a picture of it, and it's that simple. All right. So, like I said, the link to this app is in the description. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts.